Good morning, dear student. Jai Gurudev to you all. Student, today we will do exercise of lesson 5, that is sorting material into groups. Let's begin with the activity first. Activity 5.1. Mention the different type of material that can be used to make the following object. First, chair. Dear student, chair can be made up of wood, plastic, metal. Second one, dear student, are tumbler. It is maybe made up of plastic, metal, glass, etc. Pen, dear student, it may be made up of the glass. Then you can write plastics. Okay, handbags, dear student, it is made up of cloths. It may be made up of paper, etc. dear student. Now we will do activity 5.2. Mention 5 different objects that can be made from the same material. See, object and different material made from the same object. Wood, chair, toys, chair, table. You can write door, board. All these things, dear student, are made up of wood. Cupboard, dear student, cupboard, racks. Okay, then different type of decorative items, showpieces, different type of the statues can be made up of cupboard, dear student. Leather, dear student, shoes, belt, purse, bags, jacket, etc. dear student, can be made up of leather. Cotton, dear student, cloths, bag, bed sheet, curtain. Okay, tablecloth, etc. dear student, may be made up of cotton. Paper, dear student, bags, envelope, greeting card, notebooks, books, notebook, etc. dear student, may be made up of paper. Next, metal, dear student, utensil means burden, wire, statues, statue, then decorative items, flower pot, aeroplane, furniture, etc. dear student, may be made up of these matter. Now student, we will do activity 5.3. Mention the combination of metal used in making the following object. For example, dear student, pencil. Dear student, pencil is made up of lead and the wood. Similarly, dressing table, dear student, it is made up of glass, wood, maybe some metal used in making the handles, or plastics may be used in making the handle, etc. Cake, dear student, flour, sugar, baking powder, nuts, etc. Dear students, school bag is made up of cloths, plastics, metals. Metal, dear student, may be used in making the chains and etc. Now, dear student, after this, we will do let us revise of page number 46. Fill in the blanks. A gold is a blanks metal. Dear student, anything which shine, it is known as lustrous metal. Next, hard materials are difficult to, dear student, they are difficult to compress. Tree bark is rough in textures, while feather is, dear student, feather are smooth in texture. Foam can be compressed easily. It is an example of blanks material. Dear student, foam is an example of soft material because it is compressed easily. Blanks and blanks are lustrous material. Silver and gold, dear student, are lustrous material. Lustrous material means, dear student, anything which can shine. Now we will do let us revise of page number 48. Write T for true and F for false statement. A wooden spoon will be sink in ocean. Dear student, wooden spoon, wood density is less as compared to the water, so wooden spoon will not sink. So this statement is false. Next, you can see clearly through a pane glass. No, dear student, we are not able to see clearly through the pane glass. So because that is opaque, so it is a false. Next, solid can be compressed. Dear student, solid cannot be compressed, so this statement is false. Next, a colored sheet of plastic is translucent. Dear student, this statement is true. Now turn the page, open page number 50. See, dear student, there are MCQs. Choose the correct option. First, choose odd one from the following: copper, rubber, wood, and the glass. Okay, we have to find out the odd one. Copper, wood, glass, and rubber, dear student. Out of these, rubber is dear student, out of these, copper is odd one. Okay, in place of rubber you can write copper, because copper is good conductor of heat and electricity, whereas this one is not correct, dear student. Your correct answer is this one. Copper is good conductor of heat and electricity, so our answer must be copper. Next, a jeweler prefers gold mixed with other metal rather than pure gold to make the studded ornament because first option, gold mixed with other metal is lustrous, Gold mixed with other metal is hard. Pure gold is not lustrous. Pure gold is hard. Dear student, pure gold actually it is soft. Okay, so it is mixed with other metal to make it hard. So what is our correct answer? B. Gold mixed with other metal is hard. Next, while doing activity in class, the teacher asked Rahul to hand over the translucent material. He will pick up a muslin cloth, a colored mirror, a glass tumbler, a aluminium foil. Dear student, translucent material are those material which not allow light to pass through them completely. Dear student, out of 4 options, aluminium foil is opaque object, glass tumbler is transparent, colored mirror is opaque. Okay, and a muslin cloth it is translucent. So our answer is A. Next, Rohit was able to bend out of the 2 rods given to him because it was first flexible, second hard, see lustrous light. The student we able to bend anything when it is flexible. So our answer is A, flexible. Next, which one set is the correct for the properties of the iron? First, hard, lustrous, insoluble, opaque and conductor. Second property, dear students, soft, non-lustrous, translucent. Third, dull, hard, insoluble, transparent. None of these. Dear student, for iron, correct option is A, that is it is hard, lustrous, insoluble and opaque, and it is a conductor. Now dear student, we will do true false. Nickel, cobalt, iron are lustrous substances, whereas wood, gold, plastic are non-lustrous. Dear student, this statement is false. Student, see here, gold and plastic are non-lustrous. So this statement is false. Write F. This one इसे आप करेक्ट कीजिए. This statement is false. Next, we can see through a muddy water. A light can pass through it. Dear student, we can see through muddy water. As light pass through it, yes, it is easy, but we not able to see through it clearly because it is translucent. Okay. Next, what we able to see, so we are writing here true. Materials such as glass, water are translucent. Dear student, glass and water are transparent, so this statement is false. Next, density is given as mass per unit volume. Yes, dear student, it is correct formula for density. Okay, student, today you will solve exercise of this chapter in your textbook after watching this video. Jai Gurudev and have a nice day.